welcome to a new vlog. I'm already regretting my decision to go to a morning workout class, which honestly is not even morning. It's starting like close to noon, but I'm so awful at getting ready in a timely manner in the morning, and usually that's my big vacation treat to not have to do that. I'm about to head there. I just left my hair really messy for now because I'm going to be putting it up in a clip anyway the second I get there. I'm just going to have to brave the walk or like the journey there with my hair like this because I have to put on a hat. It's super cold outside. It's the depth of winter. So yeah, the plan is to be heading off in a bit. Hopefully I have a good workout class. It's a barre class or bar. I'm still not sure how you're actually supposed to pronounce it because they never pronounce it aloud. And when you look it up, I always get conflicting pronunciations, I think, kind of depending on the country you're in. But yeah, I'm gonna head off in a bit. And after that, I'm on a mission to get some storage solutions. First of all, for my wardrobe out in my hall. And then I'm also thinking maybe I can find one for my nightstand. Because my nightstand is just 3 little IKEA wall shelf cubes that I've assembled to look like one big shelf because I saw something like that on Cagney and Lacey. And one of those I constantly have to get stuff out of. Like it has a lot of medicine and like my glasses, contact lenses, all that sort of stuff. And because of that, it constantly gets messy, since I'm always rummaging around in it, and it's not cute, and I wanna change that. But yeah, I still have some time actually. I thought I'd be running late. Wish me luck. It's my first workout post being ill for quite a while. I'm a bit scared. I'm glad I'm just doing bar, whatever, because it's not that intense, like, on your endurance. But I can already feel my legs shaking in advance. Anyway, yeah, I'm not gonna film the workout class because I do not feel comfortable doing that. There are other people there, and like I said, I'm probably in poor shape right now. But hopefully I can take you along to the little shopping experience. We'll see how that works out.
Tell the time is coming to an end now, 'cause the clock on my wrist don't tick.
Not just my legs that are shaking, but also my arms. But it was good. It was real good. I'm more exhausted. My muscles maybe a little bit, but I'm not out of breath or anything. That's perfect. Still a lot of energy to go on my storage solution mission. I'm back. I've had lunch and I've made myself a little espresso and cafe. I'd like to show you what I got today. I had a clear mission, but it turned into a mini haul, even though I didn't even go to one of my destinations, so c'est la vie. Here we go. First and foremost, I got this box, which it was intended as storage for my closet out in the hall. And yeah, I'm hopeful this will work. I have my eye on different variations of this box, but the store I went to, this is from Gren. Is that how you even pronounce it? I used to always say Gren, I don't know. Gren. If anyone's from Denmark, please let me know. Kevin Magnussen would know, I guess. But alas, in the store that I went to, they only had this one. But I know they have like at least 2 more designs. And I was planning on getting 2 for the closet straight away, because it should fit 2 quite well, and 1 will not be enough for all of the stuff that has to go in there. Like, I can guarantee that already. But I took it as a sign that they only had this first one. And I was like, okay, you know what? I'm just gonna get this, and then I'm gonna put everything in there that I can manage to fit in there. And then I can go to the other store and see if I can get another one there. Maybe with a different design as well. Or maybe I will need something completely different because it doesn't work out as well as I thought, you know. So yeah, that's the plan. And also, obviously, I just didn't want to walk into the next store with this, just like this, hey. So, yeah. At first, I thought I might still go today, but I think I'm just going to do it tomorrow, because tomorrow I will once again be out and about anyway after my workout class, and then I think I'm just going to do it like that. Plus, the other store usually has a lot of baskets as well, like actual baskets. And this one didn't have any that weren't in use as storage for products. So yeah, because I am thinking about probably just getting a basket for the nightstand. I think that will work out better than these boxes. Like, they have these in different sizes. This one would definitely be too big. But yeah, I think a basket, an actual basket, would look really cute. That was my main objective. Then I also got this tiny little gift bag. Then I got a laptop sleeve for my new laptop, which is honestly a really stupid purchase. But I thought it, and I thought it was so cute. It's not needed. I have an actual laptop pouch from my old laptop. But I don't know. In my heart, it kind of felt wrong to put my new laptop in the old pouch. Like, that pouch belongs to my old MacBook, you know, like, that's his home. I know that is the most stupid, most sentimental thing I've ever said in my whole life, but yeah, perhaps I will actually pop him in his sleeve. Yeah, the messages are coming in. Sorry, I'm so popular apparently, but yeah. Perhaps I will put him in his sleeve to, you know, get some rest, enjoy his retirement. And yeah, because of that, I've got a new sleeve for the new golden boy. So, hope my little new MacBook will thrive in there. Then, I unfortunately took a detour before I got to Sostenegre. I went to another stories because I'm in the area so seldom, I guess, that I was like so tempted. And I got these socks with a little lemon on them because I am, if you know me, you know I'm kind of obsessed with lemons. It's becoming a bit of a joke at this point. I just love lemons. I have my lemon water every morning as well. I've had that for years, and I just thought it was so cute. And I also got these, like, kind of fancy cute socks because I personally am an avid hater of socks of all kinds, and thus whenever I see socks that I find super duper cute, I kind of feel obligated to get them in order to make myself enjoy wearing socks more, you know. So yeah, some cute socks with some cute little raffles on them. I think they're gonna be really cute with like some loafers maybe. And lastly, I got this perfume oil. This one is Sicilian Sunrise, going with the lemon theme. I think it has notes of lemon as well. And I just really like the smell. It just smells really fresh, in my opinion. Super fresh. It's a very summery scent. So not necessarily the perfect scent for right now when it's a maximum of 1 degree outside. I might still take it with me on my trip nonetheless, but I also thought getting the perfume oil would be really smart for upcoming trips. For the future, surely this is going to be very handy to have and just makes it smell fresh, and I love that. But yeah, that's all. This is the empty box. Hopefully this will fit a nice amount of my scarves and hats and all of the wintry accessories that I own. Definitely will not fit all of them, like I'm already sure of that. But if it fit at least half, that would be fantastic, because then I can just get another box and call it a day. The plan for now is to actually do that, like empty out the closet, start putting things in there. Then I'm gonna pack my suitcase already. I'm gonna start packing as much as possible so that I don't forget anything, because I don't want to be stressing myself out tomorrow because I've got plans tomorrow night. Then I'm gonna start editing the vlog that went up prior to this one, and I've basically then got until 9 p.m. to just do whatever I please, because 9 p.m. is the launch date for the big F1 event, because I am a big F1 girly. I actually tried to get tickets for this with a friend. So we spent like an enormous amount of time at work just stressing about being in the ticket queue and seeing who of us gets there first so we can just grab the tickets. And of course it didn't work out, because if you're in the F1 scene, you're probably aware that most people did not get tickets. Controversial. But you know, I was so excited for this event, and by now I nearly forgot about it. Like, I was going to make plans for tonight and then realized, oh wait. And even then I was like, well, it's only at 9, I could still do something before that. And yeah, ever since they've announced the whole musical lineup and whatever, my expectations are low all of a sudden. I'm just gonna watch and hope for the best, but expectations have diminished. I can't believe I wanted to be there so badly. Maybe it'll be a wonderful event and I will be so upset again about the fact that I didn't manage to get tickets, but we'll see about that, I'm sure. Anyway, I'll see you guys shortly. Perfect fit, isn't it? You can still put like something small here. And I could easily put 2 of these, so that's perfect. Perfect! Maybe I can do one with just hats and one with just scarves. It's basically already full. Oh no, it's already full! As you can see, it's definitely not perfect. It's already full. So why am I talking about making another hat, potentially? But yeah, nonetheless, I think having it like this will make it much easier to keep it tidy, because I can just pull out this thing when I need a new hat and I know, oh, they're all in there. And that's where they go again, you know? So I still believe in the idea. Oh, yeah, will you look at that? It's gonna look so much better no matter what, let's be real. Well, yeah, that is the cute outfit for the trip, and yeah, the rest is probably not gonna be that cute, but I do want to try and really make use of that beautiful weather. it's Wednesday. Yesterday's workout went really well, and my instructor called it bar, by the way, trying to be in my Pilates princess era. And I'm so scared because I'm so bad at Pilates. I shouldn't be saying that, like I'm putting out the wrong vibration right now. But I fear for my core because I can feel right now that my core stability has gone out the window. So let's see if I'll recover from that as swiftly as I did yesterday. But yeah, the plan now is parcel, workout, get another storage box, go home as quickly as possible and immediately shower and wash my hair because I've got plans for tonight. I'm going out to dinner and I still have plenty of stuff to do. Oh, that looks silly. Yeah, my hair needs to be washed very urgently, but obviously I've decided to do that after the workout. Let's get going. It's cold as hell, but the future's looking so bright I get to wear shades today. Pilates done and dusted. I've survived. Not shaking too much, so it's gone well, I'd say. Stressed about nothing, as per usual. Now I'm on my way. I got my parcel earlier. I'm going to try to get another box, and then I'll hopefully make a very swift return home so that I can get ready in a timely manner and just not be stressed about things. I managed to grab two, but it was the biggest fight of my life. I was so close to giving up because they were all stuck together. Made it work. Now I can't wait to once again carry home 3 boxes in my arms like a little baby. Fit check. I'm wearing Doc Martens with a skirt again because once again the weather is awful. That's just what living in Germany is like. Also cutting it quite close to dinner because I'm also awful. Let's go. Let's get going. Let's get going. Let's get grooving. Let's get out into the cold.
Meine Damen und Herren, wir kommen jetzt zum Musikpunkt Bollandia und wir gehen Fahrtrichtung rechts.
Jetzt ab. Vermerking, er liebt es nicht anzugehen. Im Übrigen, wenn ich schon will.
Weil Rocker Era ist aus. Und hat auch viele Ebenen, weil hier sind diese Erdmännchen und das sind als Breast. Freaker.
Sneaker Freaker.
Die Bonnerin. Oh, that is so much.
Oh mein Gott. Oh mein Gott. Das ist die so schön.